Today we are making a really simple bread and my personal favorite. It's a classic German bread. The star of the bread will be rice seeds. I soak them in water for 12 hours and then I weigh them, and they are around 700 grams. Now the other ingredients we are calculating based on a percentage based on the total mass we got here. If you want to bake more, you could use more seeds. If you want to bake less, you could use less seeds. So now we're going to be adding another 80% of rye flour. That will be 560 grams of flour. It should be full grain flour. We're adding 95% of water. This is probably the hardest part to make. This is my sourdough. 20% of sourdough. And lastly, another 2% of salt. Now put all the ingredients together in a large pot. It's that easy, and then just stir them. Look at the consistency. It's super wet. You will never be able to stir this with your hands. So don't even try. Just stir it like this. Now we're gonna let this rest for 10 hours. But you could in fact even let it rest for 24 hours depending on how sour you want the final product to be. But I find 10 hours to be a good amount, so it doesn't taste too sour and it has a little bit of sourness. So let it rest like this and then we'll continue. And this is how the dough looked like after around 10 hours of fermentation. It increased a lot in size. For the next steps, what you need is a spatula and a loaf pan, and I oiled it with some olive oil. And now all you need to do is pour that dough into your loaf pan until around 3/4. Et voila! Now place the bread for proofing in your fridge for around 24 hours. Your fridge should be around 5 to 7 degrees Celsius. If you want to proof it here at room temperature, the duration might vary. It should raise around 30% in size. In my kitchen, it's around 22 degrees, so 2 to 3 hours is gonna be the time. If it's warmer, it's gonna take a little less. If it's colder, it's gonna take a little bit more. I'm gonna wait until the dough is around here. 24 hours have passed. Unfortunately, the dough didn't raise as much as I wanted it to, but that's no problem because there's so much water that will evaporate in the oven. It's gonna increase really nice in size. I preheated the oven now to 230 degrees. I'm gonna bake it now for around 45 to 50 minutes. Half the baking time, I added some water to the oven, some steam. That's important because that way your bread can increase in size while no crust is formed yet. After half the baking time, when the oven spring is over, you want to remove the water source because you want to have a nice crust. I'll show you the final result.